Hello everyone, I'm Ross here at Goldstone Hall in Shropshire. Now every garden has its secret places, and we've invited you just behind the scenes for a little moment to have a look at what's going on in the winter time. There's never really a period where we're totally at rest here, because winter is the perfect time to start some seed sowing for half-hardy and tender annuals that will be planted out in the summer in the cut flower borders and in the main herbaceous border. It's also a great time to get cuttings going. So this is a cutting I took in about September time of a salvia called Salvia confertiflora, which has beautiful long red flowers, absolutely amazing plant. And this will go either into pots and containers or in the main border in a sunny spot in the summer. Now, as you can see around me, we've done an awful lot of seed sowing, and there's plenty more to do. We sow various different things here. So some on the benches here without heat are perennials. So these are Amsonias, which I've sown just on the surface of some moist seed compost and covered them up with one of these plastic lids, because Amsonias need light to germinate, and so they'll get just a little bit of protection in here, but they don't need any extra heat to germinate. Something that does need a little bit of warmth are the sweet peas, and these were sown in October. We began a series of sowings from October onwards, and we're still sowing them now. One thing you've got to be aware of is that they are a magnet for mice, so do take care. But once they get to this sort of stage, you can see how I've already pinched them out once here to get a nice strong shoot going, and these can be, the growing tips can be just be nipped out again. Seed sowing is one of the most rewarding aspects of gardening. It's something that we can all do on a budget, from the comfort of our own homes, just with a windowsill, and it's absolutely the most thrilling thing you can do, especially if you've got young children. I do it with mine at home. You can, however, get one or two problems. So here's a tray of Tithonias that I've sown earlier on and germinated with a little bit of bottom heat, but you can see we've got this problem with damping off, which is a fungal problem that can affect seeds when they're at this sort of vulnerable stage. So if you are seed sowing and you see these things, just prick them out, get rid of them, and the rest of the seed, the healthy seed that's germinated, should be fine. Now, for anybody who wants to get into seed sowing or learn more about seed sowing and propagation, look on our website or on our social media. And in March, Sarah and I will be hosting a day where you can come along here at Goldstone, have a go at some seed sowing with different techniques, different methods of propagation, and have some plants to take home at the end of the day. We hope to see you then. Thank you. Bye.